Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you so much. Persons checking it?
Yes.
Alrighty, what's the name on your reservation?
Jeana, Lindo, and Kimberly Roach.
Alright.
We're here with Jamaicans.com to do a review of the hotel.
Oh, okay, nice. We offer complimentary rum punch and fruit punch, or will you like
Rum punch! Woo. Oh, it's so pretty in here.
It looks so pretty in here. Dude, you can't even see.
Yay! I lost my orange slice. Again, you say Skylark is what?
We're the sister property of the Rock House. So we do offer complimentary shuttle to the Rock House on a daily basis. Leaves daily at 11:15 from here and leave from the Rock House at 2:45. And if you're dining at the Rock House as well, we do offer complimentary shuttle one way.
Wow, okay.
Our main restaurant and property is called Miss Lily's, and we're open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We also offer room service. Inside your room is a mini bar. It's an additional cost, and the boutique in the passage area, they're responsible for it. So they'll check it on a daily basis and restock it if necessary.
No problem.
Alrighty, we do have nightly DJs from 7 until the restaurant closes, but tonight will be a little extra special. It will be until 12 tonight.
Roadblock?
Alright? Yeah.
Roadblock.
So the spa and the upper level, we also do treatments on the beach as well. Alright, so if there's anything that you need, you can always dial 0 for the front desk. We're here from 7 until the restaurant closes.
Okay.
But we do have security and property that is more than happy to assist you if you need anything at all. Alright, so your room is ready.
Hooray! Thank you.
So that is it for check-in, ladies. Have a wonderful stay here with us. Alright?
We're here at Skylark. Look at this bed. Ooh.
Alright, so
We got some cool art in here.
A few little things pertaining to the room.
Tell me.
Alright, over here you have a minibar. So whatever you use is a charge to the room, someone comes check and restock. You have a price and a list in there. Ice by Miss Lily's.
Okay. Is Miss Lily's associated with the Miss Lily's in New York?
Sure. Yep. Alright, you have a safe here, you make your own 4 digits.
Okay.
So 4 digits lock, same 4 digits to clear.
Okay.
Alright, you have a ironing board.
Okay. And
Alright.
a mirror.
Yep. Alright, let us make sure the AC is up and running. Alright, so the AC is on a cut-off switch.
Okay.
So whenever the AC is running and you open this door, it's gonna cut. All you have to do, close the door, punch this silver button here, and you'll see it shut down where it was stopped. And then you restart.
Oh, nice.
Yes. And for the blind, all you have to do is just roll it down.
Okay.
Just roll it down. Alright?
Alright.
And this is your key.
Hooray. Thank
And
you.
enjoy. Remember the door open now, the AC goes.
Okay.
Alright. So
Alright.
enjoy.
Thank you.